Ilang days ba ang GSIS retirement pay at Pag-ibig membership maturity pay? Alamin. Good question po ito, friends, no? Regarding GSIS retirement pay at Pag-ibig membership maturity pay. So maraming nagtatanong nito at gusto nila ng good answer or good explanation kung ilang days nga ba ang processing nito. Well, friends, ang alam natin based po sa interview natin kasi recently meron tayong friend from Land Bank na nag-retire na because 63 years old na siya. Tinanong ko kasi kung ilang days ang processing ng GSIS retirement pay niya. According to her, 15 working days daw upon submission ng mga requirements ni GSIS. Yes, friends. So, in fact, meron siyang voucher na pinakita sa akin at ito po. Ayan. Di lang natin ipakita yung pangalan niya. So, thank you for that information, ma'am. At least meron tayong answer sa question na yan. At least meron tayong credible answer sa question po natin today. So again, 15 working days daw po. On the other hand, sa Pag-ibig naman, ang pagkuha ng membership maturity, yung 20 years, ay 20 working days po upon submission of all requirements ni Pag-ibig. Ayan po. So meron tayong research niyan at na-confirm din natin kasi may friend din tayo sa Pag-ibig. So 20 working days po ang sa Pag-ibig membership maturity pay. At sa GSIS naman is 15 working days. When you say working days, hindi kasali ang Saturday and Sunday and holiday. Alright? So thank you for watching. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.